Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today in this video I will share about the different ideas according about the black and pink nail polish. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you. I will describe about black and pink nail polish. Black and pink nail polish is a popular color combination for nail polish designs as it offers a striking contrast between the dark and vibrant hues. Here are some black and pink nail polish designs you can try. Black color paint some nails black and other pink to create a color blocking effect. You can alternate the colors on each finger, creating diagonal lines, or even do a half and half design. Ombre blend black and pink shades to create an ombre effect on your nails. Start with black and the base and gradually fade into pink towards the tip. You can use a sponge or a nail art brush to achieve a smooth transition. There is another design, polka dots. Paint your nails black and then use a dotting tools or the end of a bobby pin to create pink polka dots on top. You can vary the size and placement of the dots for a playful and feminine design. Another techniques to color your nails, floral accents. Paint your nails black and then add pink floral accent. You can use a fine nail art brush or nail art stickers to create intricate flowers or simply paint small pink petals on a few nails. Paint your nails black and then use thin strips of tape as a guides to create pink strips. Once the black polish is dry, apply the pink polish over the exposed area and carefully remove the tape to reveal the stripped design. These are all the elegant and very unique ideas about your nail polish, the different colors, specifically in black and pink color. Thank you.